Example 6 asks what's the value of x, and what we have is a circle with a central angle of 80 and another angle at x plus 40. This must be 80 and this must be x plus 40 as well, but you don't need all of that, and the reason is from here to here is a straight line or half a circle. That's 180 degrees. So this angle plus this angle, even though it's x plus 40, whatever it is, if you think of it as one object, it adds up to how much? 180 degrees. So you now have an equation that is solvable. You can isolate x and answer the question. So here's what I mean by that. I would simplify it. 80 and 40 is 120. And then using algebra or just arithmetic, you can see that something plus 120 must add up to 180. Therefore, that something must be 60 degrees. That's using arithmetic. Using algebra, if you didn't see that the answer is 60 degrees, that's what algebra is for. It gets you the answer without you having to do it. So you take 120 so that it disappears, and you bring down the results, and it tells you the answer. X is 60 degrees.